Welcome to my channel. Do you want to know if Remitly has a mobile app? Yes, Remitly does have a mobile app. It is fully available for download on both iOS and Android devices, making international money transfers convenient and accessible right from your smartphone or tablet. The Remitly app is designed to let users send money securely to over 170 countries worldwide. Through the application, you can check up-to-date exchange rates, view transparent fees, and fund your transfers using various methods such as bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay depending on your location. One of the primary advantages of using the mobile app is real-time tracking. Once you initiate a transfer, you can follow its progress step by step to see exactly when the funds will be delivered to your recipient's bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup location. The app also stores your recipient details to make future repeat transfers faster, and it includes 24/7 customer support. Setting up an account requires a quick verification process using a government-issued ID to comply with financial regulations, which the app guides you through step by step. Whether you are sending support to family abroad or managing international business transactions, the platform's mobile application centralizes all these features into a secure dashboard. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.